Hi, this is the Search Snap and Support Group, and we are going to plan the iteration from November 7 to November 20. First, I will start. For this iteration, oh, sorry. I'm going to show you our mascot. Say hi to a rabbit. Okay, so I will start this iteration. I'm going to work on the navigation 2.0. I'm going to refactor some code to remove a library and change the items in the navigation to be in the DOM always for the CEO team. SEO, sorry. And also I'm going to continue with the changelog automation. So for this iteration, I'm going to work on bumping the versioning of the application and also creating automatically tags with these versions in order to have a fully automated changelog file and also automated versioning. Next one is Laura.
Thank you so much. Okay, we could probably get rid of the bunny. He's freaking me out. He's or it, yeah. Excellent mascot. That was our first time seeing it. We only saw John cackling to himself as he was pulling it up, so that was a live look at all of our reactions. This iteration, I will be out for the first week, as will a bunch of the members of this team. So pretty light sprint. I'm working on moving the slippers package from the navigation repository or finding alternatives for using that package. There was an error brought up in the navigation, a console error that would cause the navigation to pause. I think that's been fixed in the new version, so we can probably just close that out. And then in local development, we ran into, oh my gosh, long miracle. Fixing local development, using the navigation in www, which means maybe it's time that I learn middleman. And then we have found a bunch of hydration errors in the buyer experience repository. So there's a library that should help to find at least the HTML improper use of markup. So I'll implement that and see what it finds. That's it for me, and I'll pass it to Miguel.
Thank you, Laura. For this iteration, I'll be working on the search for mobile devices. I will also be iterating over the partners page, and I do have the GLM issue still open, but work there is still done. It's already done, sorry. And I also have the navigation release 2.1.0. I'll be doing that this iteration. And next is Carrie.
Yep. So I'm going to be taking some issues from Tina. There's a landing page for Dora, as well as a GitLab, I think GitLab versus GitHub kind of page that I'll be working on. And then I'll be looking at any feedback that we get for the navigation. If there are any UX changes, I'll be acting on those. And then I'm also the DRI for our slippers. And I'm going to hand it off to Miracle.
Good morning, everybody. This iteration, I will be out for the first half. And in the second half, I will be working on the new UX changes for the analyst page and any other changes that Carrie hands over to me. And as well, I'll be working on, it looks like we have some conflicts between GTM and OneTrust. So I'll be working on that blocker as well. And then I will pass it to Lauren.
Me! Yeah, we got our first digital experience offsite next week. So that's going to be super fun. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to plan out our Q4 localization OKR, because we are doing it. So need to plan all that work. Yeah, John, take us away.
Great, thank you, team. One last share of our mascot or mascots. Let's see. Say hi to the rabbits.
Why are there more of them?
Oh my God, it's
Is there one wearing a wig? Oh, it's an octopus.
They are a lot, like minions. hundreds of rabbits, ugly, really ugly rabbits.
It must save a bunch of money on dentist bills.
All right. This is Search Nav Support.
Thank you so much.
Later.
Bye.